Now we are moving towards worksheet number 5. The first question is multiple choice question. Point number 1 regarding the question is computers on the internet are joined by computers on the internet are joined by satellites or wheels. The right answer is satellite. Now, when stands for dash network, it's a wide area. Worldwide area is a wrong answer. So wide area is the correct answer. Now, point number 3. The dash is a global system of interconnected computer networks. The internet or the satellite. The right answer is the internet. The basic definition of internet is the network of the networks. Now, point number 4. A computer network within a home is called dash area network, local or large. So the right answer is local. It's a LAN, local area network. It covers the small area like a one home or one building. Point number 5, search dash help us find information on the internet, networks or engines. Engines. And in the previous slide number 4, we discussed that there are some search engines available which are very famous like Yahoo, Bing, Google, and DuckDuckGo. Point number 6, dash mail enable us to send messages through the internet. So it's electronic mail or electrical mail. The right answer is electronic. Move on to the question 7. Ray Tomlinson sent the dash email. He was the first person who sent the email. First email was sent in late 2071 or 1971. The last point B is correct. GUI stands for dash user interface. A geographical, A graphical, B geographical. The right answer is graphical. Graphical is basically taken from the word graphics, and it is about showing different pictures and multimedia things on the computer. Now, question number 2, which is about the true and false. Ray Tomlinson sent the first email. The statement is true. He was, by profession, he was a computer engineer. Full form of email is electronic mail. Yes, it's true. Email can send our messages to anywhere in the world. Yes, it's a matter of seconds that you can send email to anywhere. Name of this sign is at the rate. Yes, it's true. The name of this sign is at the rate. Email always has at the rate sign. It's true. If somebody give you an email ID or an email address without at the rate sign, it means that email ID is wrong. Microsoft Windows or MS Windows is an example of GUI. Yes, it's true. The MS Windows or MS Word, MS Excel, the word MS stands for Microsoft. So because of that, the point number 7 is also true. Visual means video. Visual is basically related to the elements which we can view. So it considered the video. The answer is true. A handheld device is any portable device that can be carried held by one hand. Yes, basically these are the portable devices which you can take and move with them outside your house, like laptop, mobile. But can you move your desktop computer? No, it's not handheld. Now, teleporting could be possible in future. Yes, it's true. Okay, the question number 9 answer is also true. So 9 and 10 both are true. Nowadays, smartphones and mobile phones both are same. The point number 11 is also true. The computer has three basic functions. Yes, these three basic functions are input, processing, and output. By the way, processing is the conversion of something. Now, input is the data that we feed or store or enter into the computer. Yes, it's true. When computer converts data into information, it's called processing. As I told you, it's some kind of conversion. Conversion means changing a thing into another thing. So when computer change the data into information, it's called processing. Yes, it's true. CPU is the brain of computer. Yes, computer decides from the CPU. Output is the processed data that we see on the monitor. Yes, true. The spelling mistakes underlined in a red color are displayed on the monitor when we are typing something. Yes, it's true. We tell the computer what task to perform. Obviously, computer is very fast, but it needs our order instructions to work. Just like a car. Car runs very fast, but it will only run when we give power order instruction or the acceleration to the car. Now, point number 19. The devices we use to enter information into the computer is called input devices. Yes, it's true. Now, question number 3. Write the answers to the given clues. Tiny enough to fit in microcomputer. The answer is I. C. GUI uses this command. Yes, there are menus. The right answer is menus. What is menu? When you open any software, you will get many options. You just move your mouse, see many options like up and down. In this way, it is called as the menus. So the selection become very easy for the user to select any of the option to do. For example, you are using a paint. In paint, you have menu. Yes, for colors, for shapes, you have different menus available. Whatever you have to do, you can just click and select the option from the menu. Now, point number 3. A global network of interconnected computer is called the internet. So this is the definition which is in the book. The worldwide famous and the easiest definition for the internet is network of networks, integrated circuits or ICs built onto a single chip, and that chip is called as the microprocessor. Now, Dash has at the rate sign. Its email, the electronic mail, consists of two or more LANs. The answer is when wide area network is basically made up of two or more than two LAN, means two or more than two local area networks make a wide area network. What are the basic functions of computer? There are three basic functions. I already told you. Now I'm writing here. The first one is input. The second one is processing. And the third one is output. So if you want to remember it, it's very easy to memorize this with IPO. I, input, P, processing, O, output. Now, the next question is, what is the process of changing computer data into the information? It's a one-word answer. The answer is processing. Processing. Why is the mouse called an input device? Because it takes data, means the clicks from us. So it needs some input. It needs some input from us, then the mouse will work. So it's an input device. Along with this question, we are come to the end of the worksheet number 5. Now it's a worksheet number 6. The first question is multiple choice question, or you have to select the answer by circling down or making a square box around the right answer. Email is incomplete. Email is completed without dash sign. So there is a minor correction in the point number 1, and that minor correction is email is not completed. The answer is not completed without which sign? Without at the rate sign. Now, point number 2. The computer has dash basic functions 3. By the way, what are these 3 functions? Input, processing, output, IPO. Micro means dash. Micro means dash. So the right answer is micro means small. Point number 4. Working of computer is called sleeping processing. It's a processing. Converting a data into the information is called processing, and the working of computer is also called the processing. Mic and microphone both are different or same. Mic is a short form of microphone. Mic is a short form of microphone, and both are same. Devices through which we see processed data, the data which is finalized. What is mean by processed? Processed means the data is ready to check. So we see the processed data are called, or the devices through which we see them, those devices are considered or called as the output devices. Now, point number 7, devices through which, or devices that are used to enter information, enter something into the computer. Enter something into the computer are called input devices. The devices which take something from you and take it inside the computer, those devices are considered as the input devices. Output is a processed data. Yes, it's true. Means it's ready to understand, it's ready to eat, ready to view, or ready to play. Input is a data. Yes, input is a data, output is a information. Now, moving to the question number 2. Joystick is an input device. Yes, you can play game with it. So it's an input device. You press the button and it will take your instruction inside the computer. Mic and microphone both are same. It's true. Mouse is an input device. It's true. Always spill liquid near the computer. Means always throw the liquid or water near the computer. It's false. Microphone is an input device. Yes. The mic or the microphone takes your voice inside the computer or inside the speaker. So microphone itself is an input device. It's true. The average human normally blinks 20 times a minute. Yes, it's also true. Keyboard is an output device. It's false. Why? Because keyboard takes keys from us. It cannot show us something or give us something. So it's an input device. It's not output device. So the answer is false. Devices through which we see processed data are called output devices. It's true. Monitor is an input device. Monitor is the TV, LED, or the screen on which we are viewing the computer things. So it's a output device. But if we say, will monitor take something from us? No, it will not take something from you. It takes all the orders through the CPU. So it's a false. Speaker is an input device. It's false because speaker gave us something and it's a sound. So it's not taking anything from us. So it's a output device. Headphones are input device. It's also false because headphones are considered as the mini speakers which you put on your ear and it will generate only the sound. Now, question number 12. Output devices help computer to show us the information. True. Scanner is an input device. It's true. It will take a picture. You put any book on the scanner and scan it. Then scanner take a picture of that book and send it inside the computer. So it's an input device. Devices that are used enter information into the computer are called output device. It's false. Printer is an output device. It's true. It gives us the printouts. Mouse and keyboards are input devices. It's true. Input is a data. True. Output is an information. It's true. Output is a processed data. The answer is true. A picture of waves on the monitor is output. The pictures you see on your mobile, tablet, laptop, or on the computer, all of them are considered as output. Now we have a question number 4. What is the difference between input and output? So we will just write the definition. It will describe themselves that what is the difference. The device through which we enter unprocessed data, the data which is not understandable and has no meaning. So it's unprocessed data. Now, output. The devices through which we can view the processed data means the data which has a meaning or the information. So it's output. Now, define output. Devices through which we can view the processed or understandable data. Those are the output devices. Match the column. The first picture we have is about the keyboard. This is a keyboard. So we just connected with the option available on the right side. It's a keyboard. Now, the second device we have is a mouse. The third one is the touch screen. In the modern day, everybody is using a mobile phone and the tablets and even the laptops. They are coming in a touch screen module. So it's a touch screen. Now we have a mic or the microphone. This is a joystick which we normally use to play games. So this is all about the question number 9. So after doing all these questions, we are coming to the end of the worksheet number 6. If you have any question, you can feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp number. Hope you like it.